pizza with mine. Red oak butter. So we have the flour and some pineapple, cheese, ham.
Daddy wants to play, wait, go away.
Guys, now this is the dough.
Oh, yeah. So, first thing we do naman muna is check natin yung mga gamit nyo kung meron po sila. So, can I see your tray? Yung tray, yung bilog. Bilog. Ayan, very good. So, can I see naman yung dough? Is meron kayo lahat na dough? Okay, lahat may dough. Okay, baba na. Cheese, the bigger one. Yung malaking cheese. Yan. Okay. The smaller one, yung cheese. Nakalagay na maliit na container. Yan, very good. Okay. Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Pizza sauce. Pizza sauce. Ayan. Pizza sauce. Lahat na meron? Opo. Okay, tapos. Pineapple. Lahat is meron na? Ham. Flour. Lahat ba meron ng flour? Okay. So once again, good morning everyone. Welcome here at Shaky C6 Taytay. The edition of this is Junior Pizza Master. So let's all start. By the way, I'm Andrea, and also this is Kuya Philip na magtuturo sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng pizza. Okay, first thing is yung step natin is naghugas tayo ng kamay. Okay? Lahat ba yung naghugas na ng kamay? Okay, very good. So first, second step, tanggalin natin sa pagkakabalot ng ating mga dough. Okay? Okay. So yan, since na-unwrap na siya,
Mommy, help me, Ma. Take it off.
so sa screen natin,
Why is it? Why is it here? We put it here?
okay, so patanggal muna kids yung screen dito sa ibabaw. So yung, ito muna yung, so sa pizza tray po muna natin siya ilalagay yung ating pizza dough. Okay? Take note kids, huwag niyo masyadong galawin ang ating dough. Kailangan is naka-form pa rin siya kung paano niyo siya binuksan. So para hindi ma-deform ang ating dough. Huwag niyo pong kurut-kurut din ang ating dough. Ating Gracia, pwede pa-check yung mga kids natin. Next. Lard. Muna ba yung lard?
Dito ka naman smooth. Tanggalin mo. No, Nathaniel, no. Use your hand.
Okay, kids. Yung jar, palagay na sa dough. Konti lang. Small amount lang. At tapos spread mo sa dough. Ate Gracia, check mo kung tama. Okay, lahat na po ba na-spread na?
Nathaniel.
Okay. Okay, lahat po ba tapos na sa step? Nalagay na natin yung flour sa ating dough. Small amount. Spread.
Spread the floor.
Yan. So,
Enough na, enough na, enough na.
so kids, pwede silang tumingin dito muna sa harap. And then, tignan natin si Kuya Philip kung paano niya gagawin ang ating next step. Okay?
Nathaniel.
Okay, for our next step, flatten our dough and form it like a circle. So, round pizza.
Enough the floor. Yan, flatten lang, flatten. Oh, lagyan mo yan ng flour na. That's too much flour na. O sige, flatten. Tignan mo si Kuya.
Alright, kids. So once again, tingnan natin si Kuya Philip kung paano natin i-stretch yung ating pizza. Okay? Sunod Kuya Philip mo lang, kids, bago tayo mag-proceed. Ayan. Okay, so for follow of your pizza, use your palm, okay? Para may stretch natin yung pizza. Okay? So for your nose, as you can see, if meron pa siyang medyo sticky, maglagay pa tayo ng small amount po ng ating flour para ma-prevent natin yung pagka-sticky ng ating pizza dough.
Enough na the floor. Flatten over na.
Okay? Kuya Philip and Sir Fred will round if okay yung pizza nyo. I-check niyo po. Okay?
Small ball.
Flatten our dough using our palm.
Ang kalat ni Nathaniel.
So please listen muna.
Ingatan niyo ka lang.
So we need to flatten our dough muna before we proceed for our next step. Okay, listen carefully.
More pa, more.
We need to flatten our dough.
More pa. Tumingin.
Okay, lahat na ba is na-flatten na? Okay, you need more? More flatten your pizza. Okay, more flatten. Use your palm to flatten our dough. Okay, once na tayo na tayo. Flatten pa natin. Okay? Kaya Philip, okay na dyan? Lahat guys, flatten na yung dough. Okay? Lahat? Lahat na? More pa. Okay? Lahat na? So, you need to put more flour. Flour pa. Yan. Okay, Kuya Philip, yung ating grasa, okay na sa flatten our dough na? Naklat ka ba lahat?
Kasi yung kay Peter.
Ayan, okay kids, so listen muna tayo. Ihabang this side, tapos na po ba natin yung flatten? Yes, habang this side kids. Are you done? No, okay, Kuya Philip, kayo na sis, sumasa kabilang table natin. Okay. Okay kids, after natin i-flatten yung ating pizza, huwag na muna natin hawakan. Okay, so para makapag-proceed tayo for our next step. Okay? Once again kids, once na na-flatten na natin yung pizza, huwag na muna natin siya hawakan para ma-prevent natin yung pag-shrink ng pizza po natin. Okay? Para makapag-proceed tayo for our next step.
Nakanya, enough na pa.
Okay, so once natapos na natin i-flatten ang ating dough, pwede po ba i-show nyo sa akin ang ating tray? Pizza tray. Screen. Yan, okay. Very good. Done na. Okay, next guys. Transfer na po ito natin sa ating pizza tray. Na isa. Pizza screen. Okay?
Yung transfer na daw.
Alright, sa mga walang pizza screen natin kids, so as you can see na tayo paper plate dyan. Okay, so sa paper plate dyan ko natin round o para maging circle yung ating pizza. Okay, for our next step natin kids, transfer your pizza doon to your pizza screen or for your dun sa ating paper plate para maging round yung pizza natin. Thank you.
Once again, i-transfer na po natin ito sa ating pizza screen para mas mag-circle ang ating pizza. If wala naman tayong pizza screen, pwede natin ito yung
You need help? Spread some flour kasi.
Okay?
Lahat sa lahat.
Lahat na ba? Transfer na?
No!
Ate Clasha, pa-assist natin.
Okay na. Kasi baka mabukas naman yung dough mo. Huwag mo na balik na rin na kasi Peter kasi nabutas na yan. There's nothing. Ito na. Ito na ate. Oh.
Makati? Makati daw.
Okay, so for our next step, we have roller dumpers. So, kids, remember, ang use mo na ito, kaya natin ginagamit, is para maiwasan ang pagbabol pa ng ating pinsan. Okay, so Kuya Philip, kindly rounds para ma-experience nila kung paano mag-roller dumper. Don't worry, lahat po kayo is makaka-experience kung paano gumamit ng ating roller dumper. Once again, kaya po natin ito ginagamit is para maiwasan ang pagbabol ng ating pizza. So, kailangan is listen to our step para maiwasan ang ating pizza na masira. By the way po, sa lahat ng pipili po kami ng pinakamagandang pizza at mananalo po sila ng prize. Okay? So kaya dapat is makinig po tayo sa ating step by step para ma-perfect natin ang ating
Make it
pizza.
perfect, ha?
Okay?
Okay lang po. Kung manalo ka, okay lang. Kung hindi po, okay lang din. Kung maganda po, mag-enjoy ka. Are you having fun? Share mo po kay mami yung ano ay pinipilit niya na. Pag nakinipilit pa, kasama mo si Kaya, ikaw magtutulong sa kanya.
Okay? So yan. While waiting pa sa iba, relax lang muna. So huwag niyo munang galawin ang ating show.
Na, very good na yan. Sige na. Are you going to eat that? Kainin mo yan. Mamaya, pag-cook na. Kasi daw hindi pa pala. Ay, tinikman mo eh. Ako, you wait for the roller.
Okay.
Ayan, okay na.
Lama si Peter.
Natan siya kasi natin na kayo. At sa ganda. The Lord, sweet. Kasi nabda. Pero hindi, kasi hindi tayo marunong magawa niyan. Sila po yung marunong. Kaya yung to follow. Diba?
Okay, lahat na po ba is nagamit na? Dito. Yan.
Sweet.
Ben, tapos ka ng tanto.
Ayan, very good. Ano pa?
Oh, it's nice to mamaya.
Thank you.
Yung iba, tas
So,
yung bigay kay
next.
mami ko kay daddy.
Here.
Ayaw na niya ulit yung mami daddy niya. Siya po yung mami daddy.
Ayan.
Ayun ako, sweet na yung
Pwede siya maging.
Ayan.
Nathan yan, up yan. Oh, you're next na.
Give it to her.
Ayan.
Okay, next. Dalawa na lang ay tatlo.
Harder natin. That's how you. Come on.
So, yan lahat tayo sa mag-roller dapat. For our next step, our pizza sauce. Pizza sauce. Then, pizza sauce.
And spoon.
Put it in the center. Sa gitna.
Open to it.
Okay, so once na nalagay na natin sa gitna, using our spoon, spread it natin dito.
Dati kasi pinagdala.
Okay, spread it into circular portion. So inner to outer.
Tapos, sweet nyo na lang.
Spread it. Pour it everything, then spread. Spread it evenly. All
Once again, kindly put our pizza sauce into center and using our spoon, spread it into inner inner to outer.
Wait. Ano dito sa side? Tapos ito
Inner to outer circular portion.
Spread mo yan natin yan. Spread everything.
Yan mo lang ang split.
Okay, kaya pili na natin ang towel rounds. Sine-check kung na-spread na po natin ang ating pizza sauce. By spreading our pizza sauce, we need it to do into circular motion, inner to outer.
Kaya natin yan.
Okay, lahat na is na-spread ang pizza sauce. Kids? Okay, this group is done. Okay, kids, lahat na po ba is tapos na? Okay.
Sarap na dito sa
Next na. Daddy, tinikman niya. Yummy?
Okay, for our next step,
step.
yung bigger cheese natin.
Where's the bigger
Can I
cheese?
see?
Bigger cheese natin yan.
Yan.
Oh,
So
you
by
remove
spreading
that.
our cheese, we
Remove
need
the
to do
spoon.
into outer
Remove the
to
spoon. Put it
inner.
there.
Yung pinakamalaki
Don't choose na. Don't choose the
The
spoon
bigger
na.
one.
Oh, spread the cheese na.
Outer, mauna sa outer, papunta sa
Remove the
inner.
spoon natin yan. Go.
So our purpose is this para ma-spread natin ang cheese equally. Outer to inner. Kung kanina is yung ginawa natin for our pizza sauce, is inner to outer, but our cheese, we need to do it to outer, papunta sa inner.
Spray ka lang. Yan. Lahat. Lagyan mo ito. Para masarap ang cheese. So, wala ko. Spray ka. Lahat ng cheese ilagay mo para isiyang
What's your favorite color? What's your
Outer
favorite
muna. Outer muna, then inner. Oh, Daddy, spread mo, babe.
My favorite color purple. I like purple. I like purple. My favorite color purple. I like purple. I like purple.
Okay, lahat na po ba is nalagay na yung cheese? Opo, galing. So for our next step, kunin na natin ang ating pineapple. So our next step is pineapple. So once again, kapag pinag natin ang ating pineapple, we should do it into outer, papunta sa inner.
Outer muna, then inner.
So by using outer to inner, maiiwasan natin ang ating pizza is mag-center load yung mga ingredients, okay? Okay, Ate Gasha and Kuya Philip, 90 rounds. Kung okay na? Wow! Ang galing naman ng mga junior pizza master na ito.
Sweet. Mga walang laman.
Design.
So lahat natin guys, talagay na ang ating pineapple. Okay. So for our next step, ham.
Oh, where's the ham?
Ham. For our next step, our ham. So once again, outer to inner ulit ang ating procedure.
Oh, natin niya ayusin mo yung paglagay.
Okay, let's put our ham into outer to inner. Pa-outer to inner ulit ang ating paglagay to avoid center loading of our pizza.
Ganun kaya ang sa yan.
You put the hand there. Yan. Fix na siya. Later. Wait for the signal. Then you put the
Okay, everyone, tapos na po ba, please? Tapos na maglagay ng ating ham, pineapple. Okay, for our last procedure na ilalagay, last ingredient is the cheese, yung smaller cheese natin. We need it to top. Lagay natin sa ibabaw. So, ang purpose ng ating top cheese is para mas cheesiest pa ang ating pizza.
Oh, you taste it. Taste. Good job.
Okay, lahat na po guys, tapos na. Ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng Hawaiian pizza. Okay, so parang naman natin ang ating mga sarili. Yes.
Gawin yung pizza.
So, of course,
Say ganyan, no?
once na tayo sa paggawa ng ating pizza, Ate Grace and Kuya Philip will rounds para ilagay ito sa ating box.
Good job.
Okay, don't worry. Lagay lang sa atin yung tail natin and then yung pizza na tayo natin yung nauuwi. Okay? So,
Put it in the box.
sure po?
Answer that. Wait, you wait for the box. Can you hold it for me? Hold it. Hold it. Thank you po, ate. Sige, lagyan na niya sa box. Wala pa, lalagyan pa. O, sige na. Put it inside the box. All the screen. Wait, natanya. Ano po yung name ka? say Nathaniel. Okay. Nathaniel.
You're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your
Nag-wipe si Sona, be? Nag-wipe si Sona? Nag-wipe siya? Hindi na.
Relax siya ng
Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like chocolate ice cream? No, I don't. Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like you? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice?